I'm Peter, and affiliate partner of CPEC and also the representative of CPEC in China. So I'm recruiting the members from China and here Pakistani Pakistan companies if they want to link the resource in China. So that's my responsibility to link them with the right resources. So CPEC is enhancing business through building trustworthy relationship and providing an e-commerce platform for you can count on. And our members are company CEOs, directors, partners, owners, or state officers and ranking, and with direct contact details. So we have large resources and products and services to export, to offer to all the Belt and Road Initiative countries. So especially for CPEC projects to play our part in facilitating CPEC and Belt and Road Initiative countries. Today, I would like to share some of my thoughts of how it might help the export growth of Sialkot. From my experience, I am the representative of CPEC, so I'm also the South Asia Center for Communication and Cooperation. That center is actually under Sichuan Provincial Council for International Cooperation and Investment. And in that council, we have a lot of Chinese companies. They were enrolled in this actually association. So my suggestion is that we can make a good use of the existing channels or platform for brand promotion or cooperation, such as, okay, let me show you an example. The channel or platform I would like to recommend is the embassy, the Pakistan embassy in China or Pakistan consulate. The first channel or platform I recommend for companies in Pakistan, to get recognized in China is the embassy or the consulate in China. So like this is a gift from the Pakistan consulate in Chengdu. Last time when I visit the acting CG, and he gave this to me as a gift. Actually, this is a way the consulate is promotion, it's tourism, Pakistan tourism in China. And the day before yesterday, I met one of my friends. He's he's a director of the Pakistan Study Center in Sichuan University. He shared some information to me. Now he's contacting one of the biggest, actually in Sichuan province, one of the biggest tourism development company, trying to connect this company to Pakistan side. The scenery here is very beautiful, but now it's lack of the infrastructure development. So they need investment. So I think the consulate or the embassy, if Sialkot companies or the authorities can get a real connections with the consulate or embassy in China, then it will be good promotion channel. And the second is I would like to share the channel is CPEC. CPEC is based in Karachi and it has a good reputation. There are more than hundreds entrepreneurs in that platform, and not only in Pakistan, also in China. In China and Kyrgyzstan, and the embassy of Kyrgyzstan highly recommend their businessmen to join this platform. So if there are companies they are interested in this platform, they can register in this platform, and we can write articles for them and promote in Google advertisement. So that's a way to promote its brand. And also, I remember during the pandemic, there is one of the member from Kazakhstan, and he's asking for some medical equipment help from China. And because that person, he's a professor, actually, a professor in Kazakhstan, and he's well known, and the one of the biggest healthcare pharmacy in Kazakhstan contacted this professor, expected him to link in some resources in China. So CPEC-B, the founder of CPEC-B connected me. So we link some resources for them. So that's also a good way to promote. And the third channel, existing channel, I can contact is the South Asia Center for Communication and Cooperation. For our association, these days we have a good relationship with the governmental enterprises in Sichuan province, and we are also working together with some universities in China, and some of the college and the university, they are willing to cooperate with Pakistan University for vocational trainings. So if there are some technology exchange, skilled proficiencies that you need, so we can cooperate together by this way. And for our center, we are also helping. Actually, we are organizing some sports activities in China, like a cricket. We plan to organize a cricket friendly cricket match next month. So, and in Chengdu, there's also a cricket team, a Chinese cricket team, and our association is also can also link with other chamber of commerce in China and other diplomatic organs in southwest of China. So if there are any kind of cooperation, we can sign. So it's all okay. So from my side, it's okay.